How to add a new user on your Google Pixel 8a. Swipe down the notification panel twice from the top. At the bottom right, you can see setting gear icon. Tap on it. Now scroll down up to system. Tap on a system. Again scroll. Here you can see multiple users. Tap on it. Now toggle on the allow multiple users. Here you can see add user option. Tap on it. Now add new user. When you add a new user, that person need to set up their space. Any user can update apps for all other users. Now tap on the next button. Now user info, you can here set your picture. To tap on it and select the picture. Here we select. Tap on done. Now enter the username you want to set. Here we select, enter this. Tap on done. Now creating a new user on your device. Here you can see option switch to new user, turn on phone calls and SMS. Tap on OK to turn on phone calls and SMS for a user. Tap on switch to now set up user now. Tap on setup now to set up a new user. Now here you can see set up new user condition. Tap on continue. Now getting your phone ready for the new user on your Google Pixel 8a and other Pixel device. It may take a few minutes to complete the process or set up the profile for a new user. Now it will check the information. It will take time to set up new user mode on your device. Now you need to sign in with your account. Tap on a skip button. Tap on a skip. Here you can accept the Google services for a new user, set up PIN or security. Now getting your phone ready for a new user, all set. Swipe up to go home. Now you can see you can access only system default apps. You need to set up your Google account and download the application you want to use in a new user mode. To exit new user mode or to get back to original profile, swipe down from the top. At the bottom you can see profile icon. Tap on it. Now here you can see your account or a new user account. Tap on your account. Now switching to your profile picture. So quite easy to add a guest mode or create a new user mode on your Google Pixel devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.